guys, welcome back to CCL Online. So we haven't done a traditional unboxing for you for quite some time, and we thought we'd take this opportunity to do one since we've got something really exciting to show you, and that is the Nighthawk Pro Gaming XR500 router by Netgear. This is a great one for those of you who want full control over your internet connection with lots of gaming specific features, some of which are listed on the front of the box here. So you've got your gaming dashboard, your geo filter, which is a patent pending feature which allows you to filter your server connections based on your chosen location. Then you've got quality of service, or QoS, which gives you access and control over your bandwidth and traffic. And finally, gaming VPN client, which helps to protect you against distributed denial of service or DDoS attacks, which is particularly useful if you're a streamer. So let's take a quick peek at the back of the box, where you've got this lovely layout of screenshots, which gives you a bit of insight into the features that I mentioned, including your geo filter and your bandwidth and traffic monitor. Your gaming dashboard is fully customizable as well. Then also you have on the side a list of specifications. So without further ado, let's open him up. Here we go, guys. So first and foremost, your router. Then you've got a CD, your manual, and some stickers by the looks of it. 4 antennas, your Ethernet cable, 2 power adapters. One of them is European and one of them is for the UK, so that's helpful. And now we're just going to assemble it so you can see it in all its glory. Here we go. And it's as simple as that. You can definitely see where they get the inspiration from for the design. I mean, I kind of get vibes of an F-117 plane, and then from the front maybe a Lamborghini. I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comments. And then on the back of the router you have a on and off switch, a DC mains port, 5 gigabit Ethernet ports, 4 of those are LAN ports, a reset switch, and a switch for your LED lights as well. Then on the top of the router you have your Wi-Fi on and off button and a WPS button. On the side you've got 2 USB 3 ports, and then of course you've got your 4 very obvious antennas for extra Wi-Fi coverage. Just going back to your USB ports, you can share your USB hard drive to other connected devices, and they allow you to automatically back up your PC. And inside, powering this beast, you've got a dual core 1.7 gigahertz processor. That's about everything on this unboxing of the Nighthawk Pro Gaming XR500 router. If you guys have any questions, leave us a comment, and there are some more in-depth specifications in the link in the description box below. Also, because we're so amazing and nice, we are giving this router away, this exact one. Could be you. So if you want a chance to win it, enter below. See you later, guys.